This is Otto. He's a European Dane. They tend to be a little bigger boned, heavier, and usually not as tall as the American Dane. And they do tend to live longer. About 14 years is good for a Euro Dane. He's got outstanding bloodlines, all from Germany. And he'd make a great stud dog. So if anybody's interested in Otto for a stud dog, we are in Philadelphia, PA. You can reach us by email at vjlanza@aol.com. If interested, send us an email. Again, that's vjlanza@aol.com.